You want more from life, big goals, big dreams, a better future. But somehow, you hesitate, procrastinate, and freeze. Tomorrow becomes next week, next month, and sometimes next year. You want to improve, learn a new skill, get fit, build something meaningful. But instead, you scroll on your phone or watch TV. Why this happens? Lazy people don't hate themselves for not taking action. Ambitious people do. You have big ideas, big expectations, big standards. But here's what nobody told you. Your brain is wired for survival, not greatness. When something feels too big, too far, too overwhelming, your brain activates protective shutdown mode and whispers, "Not now, let's do something easier." The good news? This can be fixed. High potential people don't fail at action. They fail at mental processing before action. You plan too much, you analyze too deeply, you rehearse the outcome until you're mentally exhausted. You don't procrastinate because you don't care. You procrastinate because you care too much and fear doing it wrong. But you can outsmart your brain. Here are 3 steps to end the cycle. Step 1, make it small. Big tasks feel scary, so make them tiny. If you want to get fit, don't aim for 200 push-ups, start with 1. Think of it like climbing a mountain. You don't teleport to the top, you take 1 step, then another. If you want to learn coding, don't try learning an entire language in 1 week. Just learn the basics today. Over time, those small efforts turn into big results. The key is to focus on progress, not perfection. Step 2, create easy routines. Don't rely on willpower. It runs out. Build routines that feel automatic. If you want to exercise, place your shoes by your bed. If you want to study, keep your notebook on your desk. If you want to drink more water, fill a bottle before sleeping. Routines are like training wheels. They make success easier, not harder. Step 3, the 2-minute rule. The hardest part is starting. Promise yourself 2 minutes only. Not to finish, just to start. Read 1 page, clean 1 corner, write 1 sentence. Motivation follows action, not the other way around. Once you start, momentum takes over. Like a ball rolling downhill after the first push, then reward the start, not only the finish. Everyone you admire started small. They struggled too, but they kept going. Think of your dreams like a seed. Right now it's tiny, invisible, silent. But every small action is water. Keep watering, growth becomes unavoidable. So remember, make tasks small, build easy routines. Start with 2 minutes. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be consistent. Your future is waiting, but it won't move until you do, because here at No More Later, we don't wait for change, we create it.